So the prominent players of Big Basket are coming to Aram Shop. Aram Shop was founded by Vijay Singh, who was an entrepreneur and he has a deep passion and focus for brand marketing. Prior to starting Aram Shop, he had founded a marketing services agency called Secron, which he ran for 15 years before exiting the venture after its sale and to strategic investor. And it is a hybrid retail platform that enables sales and marketing of FMCG, CPG brands to short-on-time and high-on-stress consumers. It enables grocery shopping by leveraging the strengths of the neighborhood retailers and integrates them with opportunities provided by the internet. Aram Shop currently lists over 12K SKUs. Only branded products are listed in Aram Shop. Commodities and private labels are excluded from their platform. The core idea of Forum Shop is to enable independent retailers who have a physical presence to have a web store, which allows them to connect better with modern consumers. Aram Shop headquarters is in New Delhi, and it is a small team of techies and marketers that have operational for a little less than a year. And over 1900 retailers across 26 cities in India use Aram Shop as their preferred e-commerce platform. And business model of Aram Shop is different from most e-commerce sites as they do not believe that transaction-based revenues are the way to go in grocery category at the moment. Aram Shop does not make revenues on taking part of the margins made by the groceries. Rather, they have created a number of premium services that are offered to brands. These services are in various genres like advertising opinions on and off the platform, analytical lead marketing, and marketing at retail point. The idea behind this is unconventional and unique business model is that Aram Shop does not disrupt the existing business practices and thereby ensures no escalation of costs, and it is operated on basically on freemium model. And in 2014 it was tied up with Redbox Grocery in Pakistan, and it is planning to raise 12 million dollars from a VC fund. And Aram Shop's market size is estimated over $300 billion over 18% growth rate. Next slide. Amazon India and Kirana now. In the first quarter of 2016, prominent e-commerce player Amazon partnered with local stores and supermarket chains like Big Bazaar, Reliance Fresh, and Nature's Basket to launch its grocery arm, which is Kirana Now, and it delivered products in Bengaluru through an app called Amazon Now, and it has promised a 2-hour delivery time, and it planned to enter 10 cities every year and 50 following a hybrid model that combine the inventory-led and a direct backup models. Amazon has partnered with thousands of neighborhood stores, and locally they are known as Kirana stores across India. And it Amazon has planned to use the stores and to in order to deliver goods to the customers. And the company said it's a win-win scenario for all stakeholders, and it's also a win-win scenario for the customers. Amazon is reportedly planning a hybrid sales model where customers can also pick up their orders apart from the inventory based mode of operation. These mom and pop stores offer all kinds of items, pay low wages and little to no rent. Since there was more than 10 million neighborhood stores in India, according to industry, they have estimated that no retail chain can offer a faster delivery like Amazon does. And on top of that, their economics is often better than most e-commerce, which is still at an early stage in India. According to an analyst, just 3% of total retail sales were estimated in overall e-commerce industry, and that's it. Further will be continued by Nikita.